Good evening friends, welcome to Diamond Bits. From today onwards, we are going to upload a video based on pre-open market. We are going to list out the top 5 pre-open market stocks and least 5 pre-open market stocks, and we are going to do an analysis video on these stocks. Friends, if you see in the pre-open market, top 5 stocks are Kotak Bank, Infratel, Nestle India, Hero MotoCorp and Eicher Motors. And least 5 stocks are HCL Tech, Grasim, SBI, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. In this video, I am just going to explain you, if you learn the technical analysis, where the indication has come and what is that indications. If you could enter at that indications, what will be the profit and all those things. If you see friends, about the Kotak Bank, it has opened gap up, and from this is the first candle where it has went so much high and reverse back. But friends, if you learn the technical analysis, this candle is called doji. After the doji, they have doji means undecisive signal. Friends, from here they have taken decision to move the stock up. If you learn the technical analysis, it is clearly that they are going to take the decision to move the stock. From here, if you take from 1310 to it went to 1350 friends. And the second stock is Infratel friends. If you take the 1 day interval chart of the Infratel, it clearly indicates that from 3 days back it has given the reverse signal friends, that is reverse hammer like this. So that means the stock at this point of view, there are sellers more on this side. And the second day also stock tried to move the high, but it came down. And the third day also it tried to move the stock up. When it opened a gap up, then from there it started to collapse friends. So if you learn the technical analysis, if you can see here, this candle, whenever the stock moves up, we should able to sell. That is the thing which we can learn from this friends. And if you see the Nestle India stock 1 day interval chart, there is indication of little resistance, but in the 15 minutes candle, this is called 1, 2, 3, and these are called the 3 black soldiers friends continuously. And afterwards stock collapsed from 17205 to 17040 friends, Nestle India. If you see the Hero MotoCorp 1 day interval chart friends, here also from the on 29th it has given the signal to reaching the resistance. Again on the first also it has tested the resistance and came back. Today also it has opened and went up to the resistance. If you see here, if you learn about the resistance, then you could have detected this and you could have sold this. From 23802 it has collapsed to 2294 friends. That is another opportunity it has given. Eicher Motors also friend. In Eicher Motors, if you look here, there is a candle called as Mariposa here friend, like this. That means there is no wick. So same day, if you could have entered here, it has came down, but afterwards from 17,156 it bounced to 17,500. And HCL Tech friends, if you see in 1 day interval chart, it has moved like up and down. Undecisive signals are there friends. But if you see the 1 day interval chart clearly, it has given the same signal, reverse hammer signal, where it should collapse. As it has opened a little bit high, if you see the 15 minutes candle, same resistance it has touched friends here, and it started moving. If you could detect that 564 to 555, you could have shorted friends. And next is Grasim. If you see the 1 day intervention chart, here also undecisive signal has come. They have taken the decision to push the stock down, but it has went up friends. But only thing is, we could have learned that at that point of resistance there is a at this 600 there is a resistance. If we could have short there, at some point of view you could have gained little bit. So the SBI friends, this is the 15 minutes interval chart. If you take 1-day interval chart, friends, it has given very good signal of bullish. But friends, if you observe the 15 minutes candle, there is an opportunity to enter, friends. This is called doji again. At the pivot point, it has come to doji, but from here they have taken the decision to push the stock up. If you could have entered at the signal point, you could have sold. We could have bought the stock at 167, and you could have made profit at 170. And if you observe the HDFC Bank, friends, here the stock HDFC Bank opened in negative, friends. But what happened? If you observe 15 minutes candle, in the first 15 minutes candle, okay, it has went down, but it has been pushed up. From here after at 10:15 also, it made undecisive signal, friends. After that, doji, it has moved, it has given the uptrend signal. So from here it has moved to up to 1000, friends. From 983 to 1000, friends. You could have made profit on this. ICICI Bank, if you take the ICICI Bank signal, friends, if you observe 1-day intervention chart, it has given the signal of reverse signal. But if you take 50 minutes chart, see this, friends, 9:15 again if the stock went down, but it has pushed up. So this is enough, friends, to go long. If you could have entered at 337, you could have made a profit up to 349. So friends, every day I will make an analysis on technical analysis and especially based on candlesticks and patterns, friends. Please follow us, please subscribe us. Thank you.